turning old books into festive holiday decor. Robert Smalls International Academy held its annual holiday book craft contest. Students were asked to repurpose old books or printed materials into beautiful holiday decorations.
This started back in 2013, and we started because we didn't have much money for decorations, but we wanted the kids to be able to find a way to do things for their parents, and they were, all of them got excited, and then it just turned into a contest.
The students showed off their creativity by making candles, a snowman, and more.
I made a Christmas tree for my mom and dad for Christmas. I used yarn and I had to cut out 20 pieces, and for every row I used 19 pieces. And the song at the top is "Oh Christmas Tree," and that's my favorite song. I made this tree out of books, and at the bottom it's brown paper in a box, and I also use this to punch the paper so I could make it out of the tree, and I got a little flower to put on top of it.
I made a wreath, and on the top it says "Silent Night," as this is one of my favorite songs. So we made 2 rows. There was a circle right almost in the middle, and we glued around that, and then on the outside there was a circle, and then I glued around that. And then we found something to put it in the middle, and we glued it. And then with my booklet, we had 3 books stacked on top, and then we had a pine cone on top with some flowers.
The decorations are being displayed in the media center for students and educators to enjoy.
Oh, I was so proud of these kids, but more than that, they were so proud of themselves. They came in, grinning from ear to ear, and everyone had a story to tell about how they made it, and what they used. And so, we look forward to more projects, but bigger and better next year too.
A first, second, and third place winner will be announced at both the elementary and middle school levels. Each winner will be given their own gingerbread house making kit to enjoy over the holiday break. At Robert Smalls International Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.